The planets. Planets are bodies that revolve around the Sun. The planets of our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The first 4 planets from the Sun are inner planets, whereas the remaining 4 are outer planets because they are located further away from the Sun. These planets have specific positions in the solar system as they revolve around the Sun. They appear to move among the stars. That is why the Greeks called them planets, which means wandering stars. All planets revolve around the Sun on the same plane and direction, each following its own orbit. The time it takes for a planet to complete orbiting the Sun depends on its distance from the Sun. Light and heat on the planet come from the Sun. Hence, the temperature on the planets depends on their relative distances from the Sun. Mercury. Mercury revolves at a distance of about 58 million kilometers from the Sun. It is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in our solar system. Its average surface temperature is 430 degrees C. It is called boiling planet because of its closeness to the Sun, which is extremely hot. This planet has no natural satellite. Venus. Venus revolves at a distance of about 108 million kilometers from the Sun. Its size is close to that of the planet Earth. It is the second planet from the Sun. This planet has no natural satellites. It is the hottest planet, with an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius, most likely because of the high amount of greenhouse gases in its atmosphere. Earth. The planet Earth revolves at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from the Sun. It has an average surface temperature of 15 degrees C. It is the only planet in the universe known to have geological and biological activities. Therefore, the Earth is the only planet which supports life. The Earth has one natural satellite known as the Moon. Mars. Mars revolves at a distance of about 228 million kilometers from the Sun. It is smaller than the Earth and Venus. Its atmosphere is mainly composed of carbon dioxide and it has 2 natural satellites. Jupiter. This planet revolves at a distance of about 778.5 million kilometers from the Sun. Its atmosphere is composed of hydrogen and helium gases. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 79 natural satellites. Saturn. This planet revolves at a distance of about 1,434 million kilometers from the Sun. It is distinguished by its extensive ring system and has 62 natural satellites. The ring system is composed of solid materials such as dust. The ring system is a distinctive feature of the planet. Uranus. Uranus revolves at a distance of about 2,871 million kilometers from the Sun. Its atmosphere is mainly composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It has 27 natural satellites. Neptune. This planet revolves at a distance of about 4,495 million kilometers from the Sun. It is composed of hydrogen and helium. It also contains small amount of water and methane. It has 14 natural satellites. Other bodies in the solar system. Apart from the Sun, Moon and planets, other bodies exist in the solar system. They are smaller than the planets. These include comets, asteroids, meteors and satellites. Comets. A comet is a mass of ice, frozen gases, rock particles and dusts, which moves around the Sun. It looks like a bright star with a tail. Comets are visible in the sky as moving objects with leading heads and bright tails. Comets go around the Sun far beyond the limit of Neptune. They become visible from the Earth only when they come near the Sun. Asteroids. Asteroids are solid heavenly bodies in the solar system revolving around the Sun. They are also called planetoids because they look like planets. An asteroid belt is found between Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroids are called Ceres. They have a diameter of less than 800 kilometers. Asteroids are only visible via a telescope because they are very far away from the Earth. Meteors. Meteors are pieces of rocks falling from outer space. They become visible between 110 and 145 kilometers from the Earth's surface. These rocks burn as a result of friction with the atmosphere. However, some do not burn completely and reach the Earth's surface. When they reach the Earth's surface, they are known as meteorites. There are 2 meteorites in Tanzania. One is found in Ndalizi village, Mbozi district in Songwe region, about 65 kilometers southwest of Mbeya city. This meteorite was officially discovered in the 1930s. Previously, it was only known to the local people. The other less spectacular site of meteorite is found in Malampaka, Maswa district, in Simihaya region. This meteorite fell at Malampaka in 1930. When meteors strike the Earth's surface, they may cause depressions. An example of such depressions in the world is the Great Meteor Depression in Arizona in the United States of America, which is 150 meters deep and about 1 kilometer wide. Satellites. A satellite is a body that moves around a planet or any other body larger than itself. There are natural and artificial satellites. There are about 185 known natural satellites in the solar system. The Moon is the largest known natural satellite of the planets. Currently, only 6 planets are known to have natural satellites. These planets and their number of satellites are Earth, 1, Mars, 2, Jupiter, 79, Saturn, 62, Uranus 27, and Neptune, 14. The artificial or man-made satellites which revolve around the Earth are mainly for weather forecasting, taking photographs, collecting data for map making and for telecommunication. Satellite dishes used at home receive and transmit information from communication satellites.